In this Al Hilal Bank UAE review, we'll explore its key features, unique qualities, and how it can meet your financial needs in the UAE. Find links to relevant products and services below. Al Hilal Bank is known for its seamless digital banking, serving both individuals and businesses. They offer comprehensive services, savings and checking accounts, personal loans, credit cards, and investments, all designed for a smooth and secure experience. A standout feature is their fully integrated mobile app. Manage accounts, make payments, and apply for loans right from your smartphone. For ethical banking, Al Hilal offers Sharia-compliant financial products, aligning with Islamic finance principles. Their transparent, low-risk investment products help you grow your wealth responsibly. Customer service is highly rated, with in-branch assistance and 24/7 support via their call center and mobile app. Al Hilal Bank is ideal for UAE residents seeking modern banking with a strong ethical foundation. Whether managing personal finances or growing your business, their diverse services cater to various needs. Their user-friendly online platform and robust security ensure peace of mind. If you're looking for reliable, Sharia-compliant banking with modern features and excellent support, Al Hilal Bank is worth considering. Check out the links below for more details. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you make an informed decision.